Okay, good morning Sergeant Asis.
Ano, sir?
As part of 11 General Order series of our detachment, kindly give us at least 311 GO. Okay, begin.
Geo number 1, sir. Take, to take charge of the post and all companies properties in view. To protect, preserve with utmost diligence. Geo number 5, sir. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Geo number 11. To be special, to be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging. To challenge all person, all owner to my post. And to allow no one to pass or litter without my proper authority.
Okay, Sergeant, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay guys, so today that's all yung lang yung natin. So sana uh, inaasahan ko na bawat isa sa inyo is